So you can ask me any question, whatever you are, whenever you are feeling that you have to ask, you can ask me. You can, stop me. So guys, the CSSP exam is, we all know it's a computer adaptive test, and it's check our confidence. Okay, whenever we try to answer any question, so it will check our confidence level as well, and it give the result on basis of that. We all know that exam will be over between 100 and 150 question. If you are scoring good in the first 100 question, the exam will be over on right 100 question, and then if we are not matching with the expectation, so it will go ahead with the 150. Exam will be 3 hours, around 180 minute, and in 180 minute we need to go ahead for 150 questions. You cannot move back during the exam. You have to answer all the question, then you can move on the next question. Right, you will also get a virtual calculator. As we know, we need to do some calculation on in domain 2. So we will get a virtual calculator there, and you can do your all the calculation for calculating the ALE, or whatever calculation you need. So you have any question on this slide? Just give me a moment. I need to admit someone. Guys, do you have any question in this slide?
Sachin, you say you're recording this session, yeah?
Yep.
Will you be sharing the recording after?
Uh, I can.
Because I might drop off then, because where I am, I'm in Australia, it's past midnight. So if you're recording, I might just catch it tomorrow if that's okay.
Yeah, sure. You can do.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Yes.
Cheers.
So guys, just wanted to explain a little bit how this confidence thing works. So whenever you will get your first question. So suppose this is the line, and whenever you will get your first question, the calculation start from the middle of this line, right? So once you will mark the first question right, the your confidence will be like this. Okay, then you will mark your second question right, your confidence will be like this. If you are marking the question wrong, then it will go down. Okay, so just try to just take your time for the first 30 question. Okay, you can take around 50 minute or 1 hour in first 30 question. Okay, to firstly you need to keep you need to make your answer like this, because firstly 30 question is very very important for the exam point of view. You have to answer at least 25 question right to to passing on the 100 question. Okay. uh, sure guys, sorry. uh, so guys, have you understand this concept? Hello.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Yes, so see, managing time in the exam is very important, right? You can take, you can take some time in the first 30 question, like you can divide like that, like this, that
Yes, Sachin.
in 1 hour you can answer 30 question. Then in the second hour you can speed up your speed up yourself, and you can go ahead with answering the 40 question in an hour, and then you can go ahead with a full fledged answering the question. Because see, once your confidence level will be up in the starting. Okay, when your confidence level will be here in the starting phase, then it will take time to go down, right? So if you will maintaining this pace in the first 30 question, so it will take around 10 question, if you're marking wrong continuously 10 question, then it will become here. So just try to take some time in the first 30 or 40 question, and then speed up yourself. Okay. And in we all know in the first 100 question there will be 25 beta question, and somehow you can able to identify that, but there will be some question that you are unable to identify that what was the beta question. You have to answer that. Okay, so here is a trick for this. In the first 100 question there will be 25 beta question, right? So you have to answer 75 question. In 75 question, if you are answering 15 question wrong, then too you will be pass on the 100 question, because the exam is looking your confidence and it will be pass you on the 70%. Okay, so just try to try to manage yourself for this 100 question, but yes, be mentally prepared for 150 question in 3 hours. Okay, I took 120 question for pass the exam. So after 100 question you will get all the whatever question you will get, the last 50 question, that all will be added in your exam, right? So just maintain the pace and just manage your time. This will be the key of passing the exam, to manage your time. Lots of time like happens with a candidate, they can they mark they mark answer very fastly, and they can able to complete their exam before the time, but they will be failed in the exam. This happens with the student. So you have any question in this slide, you can ask me.
So, Sachin, what you say is even if you know the answer for the first question,
Hmm.
like as an average, you said for the first 30 questions we have to spend like an hour, right? So even if I know the answer, maybe in 30 minutes, 30 seconds, right, for the first
You,
questions, you mean to say that I need to maintain some average like 2 minutes or something, so
and
that after 30 minutes,
see, it's totally
sorry, I
depends
mean
on
after,
you. If you know the first question answer, you can answer it in 5 seconds, right? And you can move forward with that. But see, when this is the the key of the CBT. When you if you are marking your first question right, then the exam will the question, next question will be little bit tough. Okay, if you're marking the second question right, then it will be little bit tough. Okay, this will
oh, now I
increase
got it. Okay.
increase after question by question. But yet, if you're marking like 10 question correctly, then it will be come on the level, like, right? It will no it will not go it you will not go like question for 4 line or 5 line. Okay, so in first 10 question, if you're marking right, the question will be little bit tough, and then you will reach on the level where the question will be normal, you can easily answer it.
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, and whenever you
But
will start the exam.
anyway, what you mean to say is even if I know the answer, uh,
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, okay.
So if you know
Yeah, I
if you
mean,
know the
for
answer,
example, if I know, if I,
if you know the answer, you can mark it and you can move forward, right? Because but if you are
yeah,
getting the
but you
question.
said it would be more tough, right?
Yes, yes.
So for that purpose only, you said we need to maintain like for first an hour, just only answer 30 questions like that, so
Yeah,
that okay, now I got it. Okay, yeah,
that's why I
thanks.
told you, because once you will mark the question right, the question will be tough, and you need to spend some time with the question to reading that, and read all the question twice.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Yeah, thanks, sir.
twice, thrice, just read it, and you will get a one keyword in the question definitely. Okay, so
Yeah, thanks.
as you all know, you cannot go back, and you cannot skip the question. You have to answer all the question, including the beta one, right? So anyone have any question regarding the exam? And one more thing, guys. Once you will reach on the Pearson Center, they ask you to remove all the things like watch. If you are wearing any watch, if you are wearing any ring, so they will ask to remove it. And if there is no winter season, you can go in a half sleeve t-shirt or shirt. That will be fine, because they will ask you to uh, they will see everything, like if because if you are carrying anything. Okay, so I'm moving on the next slide. So what has been changed in the after the May? Okay, earlier they are having, everything is remaining same. The thing is a change in the domain 4, that is network domain. Earlier they are having 14% of question in the exam, but now they are having 13%, and they increase it in the domain 8. Okay, earlier they are having 10%, but now they can ask question 11% in the exam. So this is changed. And I was also going through the book, so little some chapter has been added in domain 1 as well, domain 2 as well. So these are the changed. Okay, so exam mindset. I know most of us is confused in this sentence. Think like a manager, CISO, or risk advisor. I know, truly I was also very confused with this concept. But yes, when my exam was scheduled, and then I tried to read multiple books, and I can able to identify the things like where I can go ahead with thing like a manager, or what could be the fully technical answer. So if you have scheduled your exam, and your exam is in 10 or 15 days, so you guys can able to identify the answer of question with the manager concept. What was my what was my simple thing here was, a manager will not go too deep, okay, in a technical things. Like manager always fix the process. He cannot go and fix a problem. He cannot go and pull a wire from the computer whenever any incident is going on, right? So if you guys are working as a manager, I know you have a better idea in this. But yes, always try to fix the process, not the problem. And one one key concept you can use here is that a manager will not go deeper in the technology whenever solving the problem. Okay, just keep it at a high level. Okay, do not fix the problem, fix the process. The same thing here. And security should be involved from the beginning. In every Whenever we're developing any software, the security should be involved from the starting point of view. So this concept will also help you in the exam. Once you will get a question from the D8, this will be there, guys. You can answer most of the D8 question exam with these things. Okay, layered defense should be there, because as much layer we will add, the organization will be secured here. And we all know control should be cost justified. That will be not, we can't buy a control that is very expensive to the organization. Okay, so anyone have any question till now related to exam, related
Sachin,
to
yeah, Sachin, just one query. In the exam, we can expect multiple choice answers also, like select three, select four, or it's going to be only the one single answer that we need to select
uh,
from the.
there could be drag and drop as well. You can get drag and drop option to match this A and B and B and C like this. But most of the question will be a single choice. Uh,
Okay.
there could be, that will be rare to get this drag and drop question.
So you mean to say that mostly it will be single choice questions and not
Yes,
a multiple choice question?
yes.
Question, right? Like select two answers or select three answers. That kind of we cannot. We
No, you.
it's not.
I don't think that will be there in the exam. But yes, just be ready for that. But I don't think there could be one or two only, but not more than that.
Okay. And maybe I'm jumping just two or three slides. I don't know whether you have covered it. If in the domain four, we also have something on subnetting. Do we expect something on subnetting questions also? Because I've seen in some practice questions. That's the reason. I'm not so well versed with that.
No problem. So just making a statement here. The question we are doing in the practice, I think we are doing a tougher question than the exam.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are doing, a practice question, and you are scoring around 70% or 65%, okay, so that will be good for the starting point of view.
Okay.
Okay, and D4, VPN, and authentication protocol, that will be very important for the
Just
exam.
last question.
Sure.
Just last question. In the coming slides, are
Hmm.
you going to also cover the topics that we need to focus? The
Uh,
key topics for every domain?
no, key topics I'm not going to cover in this session. I'm going to cover how you can prepare in, how can you make a 90 days plan for your study.
Okay.
If you guys want, I can prepare that list of topics, and I can, we can have a session for that.
And actually, I my exam is scheduled in the next 10-12 days. That's the reason I asked.
No problem. You can ping me, and we'll have a discussion about that. No issue.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Yeah, you can carry on.
Okay. So guys, everything is clear regarding the exam. Anyone can ask any question, because I'm in the next slide. I'm going to move on the 90 days plan. Who is going to attend? Like, anyone is going to attend the exam in in coming 30 days?
I would be attending most
I
probably.
will. I will also be attending.
Uh, okay, like two, three or four person people, right. So
Yeah.
you will be, in the starting of the exam, guys. I forgot to mention it. You will get a acknowledgement window where where you need to acknowledge the things, and you will get time around 5 minutes or 3 minutes to read that. You want, you can read that, or you can justly accept it and move forward. Okay. So again, manage the time. in exam is very important. If you want, you can take a break. And for break, I will suggest one thing. Do not take break if anyone taking a break with you. Okay? Because time will not stop. Time will, time will not stop. And once you will be out from the examination center for taking break, okay? So they will check, they will scan your palm there. Okay, they will check your ID there, and then you can go to the lawn, or you can go to the washroom, everything. And then once you will come, they will do the same thing. Okay, so if you are going with anyone, so they will do the same with that person as well, so that will kill your time. Okay, so if you want to take a break, so just you can take a break in the room, examination room as well. You can just simply stand there, you can stretch your body. Okay, and then you can concentrate on the exam. But I will not suggest to go with someone if anyone taking the break, because that will kill your time at least 5 minutes. Okay, because they will scan your palm every time whenever you will be out of the your examination room. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Once you will finish your exam, your windows will be stopped, and you will get a message that go and collect your result from the reception area. And they will then to there you they will scan your palm, they will check your IDs, that will be passport or any driving license, or any any sort of identity card. So I'm moving ahead with the plan. So you can as I have mentioned, it will be 3 months run. As per me, you can take your time, whatever time you are getting in the preparation. In the first 4 weeks, try to complete this book, Cybex. I think Prashant has given this book to you guys, so you can go ahead with this book. Okay, uh, read read this book word by word. Okay, because most of the question you will get in the uh, if you are practicing the question, you can see most of the question will be from this book. There will be some question you can find from AIO or from other book, but you can clear your concept with this book. It's a very good. Uh, uh, I use this book only. I don't use, I didn't use too many books. I use the Cybex. I use Prashant book, that is Memory Palace, 11th hours, and instructor edition book, that is given to us. This four book I used, and some of the YouTube videos of Prof. So you can read this book cover by cover, and please make your hand notes at the same time. Why I am saying this at the same time? Because once you will read this book, okay, if I'm reading this book, I got any word or any line, if I'm writing the same in the notes, that I can able to capture in a very a fast way, or that will be remembered to me in a long time. Okay, so your hand note is very important for your preparation. This will be your keynotes. Okay, once there will be a time you will not get too much time to read this book. Okay, but you can able to identify everything in your hand notes. Okay, so I always say to everyone, please prepare your hand notes and read it daily at least 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, I've written this already here, that revise your handwritten notes daily at least 2 hours, because that will help you to revise everything. If you are missing anything in the question, just go back and look look into your notes, and if you're not finding it there, you can refer to the books or any online material that you are using. Okay, but firstly, go ahead with your handwritten notes, guys. It's very important for your preparation. Okay, because in this you write everything in your own way. You can able to read your writing. Okay, and you can able to understand your writing technique very easily. Watch your class video as much as you can as per your time. Like whatever time you are getting, what I was doing when I was preparing in my office hour. Okay, I was just watching Prashant videos and I was doing my office work, and that helped me, you know, very much, because if I'm not paying that much of attention, but still I'm going to learn one or two word, right? So that will help us. Okay, you can go through some other resources if you have any, like you can refer AIO book. I think CBK is there, so you can go ahead with that as well. And don't attempt too many question in your starting days. This is very important. Why I am telling it? Because if you will attempt 20 question, okay, and you are marking 15 question wrong, okay, then you will start doubting yourself that I'm not prepared for exam. Okay, and you will be scared of this exam, like I'm not going to pass it, that will not happen. You will lose your confidence. Okay, guys, so in your starting days, just attempt 10 question and 12 question to keep yourself busy. Okay, and if you are getting wrong, then look in which domain you are getting weak. Have you read that domain? And if you have read that domain, then visit that domain in your handwritten notes. Okay, does anyone have any question? Yes, no?
Yeah, I'm good, Sachin. Thanks.
Okay, so I think lots of the people will not agree with me here, but this is my observation, because in starting of my preparation, I start attempting lots of question, and there was a time where I think that I will be failed in the exam totally. Then I wrote a message to Prashant that, see, this is the problem I am facing. He really motivate me, but once when we start doubting on ourselves, then there will be lots of issue. Okay, so moving on the next slide.
Yeah, Sachin, I have a question.
Sure.
I mean, you said in 4 weeks we need to complete the book, right? So, I mean, it's individual capability to grasp
Yes.
the concept,
Yes.
but I mean, how much time you spent? I mean, or otherwise you suggest to study if you want to complete the book in 4 weeks?
Sure. So I think there is 21 chapter in the book. Okay. So usually I finish one chapter in one day. That was my target. Okay. And for domain 3, I have taken around a week. Domain 3 and domain 4, I took lots of time. And D6 as well, because I think these three domain
Okay.
are longer. Okay. So usually for reading one chapter and writing the same thing, I took 4 hour 5 hour in a day.
Yeah, understood now. Yeah.
But yes, that was my normal, like I usually spend 5 to 6 hour in a day in my first 30 days.
So one question here, Sachin. After completing your training, how many more days you took for appearing for the exam?
So my training started on 31st of October, and it finished on November 15 or November 22, and I appeared the exam in March 20, 20 March 2021. I booked my exam 3 months before. I booked my exam on 20 December, and I took 90 days from here. 90 days or yeah, December, Jan, Feb, March. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I think I missed your last network fluctuation. So after completing your training, you took more 90 days, right?
Yes. In my CSSP journey, I totally
Okay.
took I think 6 months. I took 6 months in preparation and attempting the exam.
I did the same thing, I was doing around 200 questions per domain.
Hmm.
So I was doing 200 questions per domain after the. Uh, I'm facing fluctuation. Is everyone is the audio?
I, no, your voice is clear. Probably it's with Sachin's internet. Even I felt the same before.
No,
It
I'm
seems
good.
like
Uh,
he
I
has
mean,
some.
I multiple changed my two networks until now. So,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
good.
I
I'm
also
good,
did the
guys.
same thing because initially I was in broadband. After that, switched it. Oh.
so this is how I'm making my CSP, not doubting myself most of the time.
uh, I'm good, guys. I can hear you.
Okay, so I was preparing for these questions like okay, so I was making 200 questions per domain,
Hmm.
and then I also reduced that to 50 questions, and then because most of the things were getting it wrong during the first initial phase after the Prashant Mohan training,
Okay.
and after reading one time of the book, and then again I read the book, and then I was able to get some more questions. Then I again went on the videos from Prashant. Then I was able to make it more confident about the exam. Then so a lot of hurdles. Like there is a difficulty in domain three. The domain three never completed. It seems to be so. That is one of the difficult domain here.
Yes. So for preparing the domain three, I know where you will mark most of the question wrong. I think that could be on the parameter defense or deluge system like this, or you can also I know most of the guys are having issue with cryptography things like 3ds ds. It happens, guys. It happens with everyone faces issue with domain 3. And one
Okay.
one thing is
So
clear.
after domain three, which one is the next?
So I just wanted to let you know one
Yeah,
thing.
Sachin, I have
Till
that question. Actually, after
so,
domain three, which one is the next?
yeah,
Okay, there is a time delay. Sorry.
sorry, I'm making a point here.
Uh,
So till the last day of the exam, okay, you will not find yourself confident. Okay.
Sachin, a delay in the there is a delay in the voice. I think
Yes, sir,
so.
I can able to hear you guys. You can speak,
Can you
please.
repeat?
Ye- Yes, I'm telling this that till the last day of your exam, you will not feel confident that you are ready for the exam. Okay, you will not.
Absolutely.
Whenever you will going to attempt your test question, there will be a time you will get 70% answer is correct, 75% answer is correct. Okay, that is fine. That is okay. Just trust your preparation and you will going to get the exam.
So how many questions did you prepare to crack this exam? Like almost the rough numbers.
The rough number between 9,000 to 10,000.
Okay, and the question provided by Prashant, like that the one, right?
Yes, a question provided by Prashant, and there is Relay question is there on Relay website. You will get around 3,000 question from there, and around 3,000 question from Prashant. You can also use destination certificate Discord channel. You will get lot of question from there. Okay, I think
Okay.
6 to 7,000 question is okay. If you have time, you can attempt as much as you can. Yes, someone was asking the question about domain 3. Please go ahead.
Y- y- Yeah, I mean, it is not about domain three. I mean, after domain three, because I felt it is very long, which is the next domain even that we can feel that's a big one. Because I'm going for a training with Prashant. He's taking third domain now, so still some more domains we need to cover, right? So that's why I'm just curious to understand.
So after domain 3, you will find domain 6 is a little bit long. That is around, that is I think security operation center is in included there. So I think domain 6 will be the longer one. Correct me guys
Okay,
if
got it.
I'm wrong here.
No, that's true. That's absolutely true. I mean, domain 3 took almost around 20 hours, almost. And then domain 6 took so much of time. And then domain 7 took around 2 days to complete. That's it. 7 and
Oh,
8.
Yeah, digital
Which,
forensic is there I think in domain 7. So that's took time.
okay.
So I'm moving in the next slide. Okay, so I'm just emphasizing this point here that keep in mind revise your handwritten notes on the daily basis. Okay, just take 2 hours daily to revise your handwritten notes. Okay, in last 30 days, speed up your study and start attempting questions. Discuss the topic with your classmates. If you are doing a group study, discuss the topics that you are having issue. If you are not doing group study, you can ping me whatever time. In IST time, I usually sleep at 12:30 a.m. So after that, I was unable to respond to you guys. Okay, while attempting the
sure.
question, go through all the explanation if you are making it right or wrong. This is very important because see, in your question, you're marking, suppose you are marking question A, that is right by the question, but if you are applying any other concept, but the definition has been given there, that will be some other, that is using some other concept, right? So after reading this comment, you will be familiar with two concepts. Okay, so if you're marking any question right, if you're marking any question wrong, read the explanation. Okay, that will help you to to learn more things about or learn more way to solving the question. Okay, and this will also help to, in preparing the things, because if you are unable to clear your concept, you can't uh, make a right choice while attempting the question. Okay guys, see, my suggestion would be, if you are thinking to attempt the exam after Prashant classes, just took 20 or 25 days. Once you will be ready after your handwriting notes, okay, then book your exam according to whatever time you will get for preparation. Just book your exam, I think after 30 days, sorry, after 3 months or 4 months. That will be enough for preparation. And once you will book the exam, it will be a key concept for everyone. Once you will book the exam, then you will, you will get tense for preparation, and you will be very, you know you will be very attentive to every question, every point, because you know that you have booked the exam and you have to clear it. Okay, and I will not suggest anyone to, reschedule exam. Reschedule is good, but I will not suggest anyone to, reschedule the exam, because you have to read all the things again. I am very, afraid to reading the things. That's why I haven't rescheduled my exam, but and I also don't emphasize this point. Okay, you will also spend around $50 in one, while you will reschedule an exam. Okay, because see, if you are doubting your preparation, I'm clearly telling you that till the exam day you will not find yourself confident for the exam. Okay, so just trust your preparation. If you are marking 70-75% in any test attempt, you are good for the exam. I'm not telling you like you have to mark 85% or 90%. Okay, in my first, you all have Prashant question sets, right? In his first few sets, I scored below 60%. Okay, and I have written my every percentage in a Excel sheet to see my improvement, and it will help you guys. You can do this, and it will help you. And just timing to attempt the Prashant sets in last 30 days, because this will be the time you have read all the things. Okay, just start attempting Prashant sets, or most of the question, if you have, whenever you are remaining 30 days for the exam, because from here your confidence will be built, because you will start getting the questions right, and you can see your scores. Okay, anyone have any question till now? You're free to ask. Yes, no. Can I move
No,
ahead?
Sach.
No. Yes, please.
Thanks. Okay, the same point is here. Attempt question as much as you can, at least 200 question in a day. Just just take this as your target for a day, to attempt 200 question, because from here, if you are attending 200 question in a day, there will be 4,000 question, right? And see, if you guys start attempting 200 in a question, sorry, 200 question in a day, you will get more interest in the question, right? And in the last 20 days, if you have 20 days and your exam is scheduled, okay, so automatically you will speed up your study. And people generally thinks that how can someone study for 10 hours, 15 hours in a day. Okay, but whenever your exam will remain 20 days, all the things has been automatically settled. I also think the same thing, but you guys don't believe I studied for 16 hours in a day when I have 20 days or 30 days, because I was very, very weak in D8. I was not confident that I will be clear in this domain. Because I am I don't know how to develop software. I don't know the database, because my strong domain was D6, D7, and D4. Here, if you will start attempting the things, you will able to identify your weak areas, go through the topic, search on YouTube. I think Prab has no Prab has did a very good work. He have posted most of the videos on YouTube. Just go through that, okay, and work on this. You can search from online, take everything, and just work on your weak areas. In the last 10 days, just go through your handwritten notes, start attempting full length test that is given by Prashant, or you can find the same on the Vile side. I don't know I'm spelling it right or wrong, but yeah, this is the side name. I think you will find nine full length test here. So just keep full length test for the for your last 10 days. And if you are scoring here 75 to 80%, you are ready for the exam. You can score more in this 80 85%. People scores mainly 75 80 85%. But I think I got around 75 or 76% in every test, not more than that.
One question, Sachin, here.
Sure.
Okay, so when you say 200 questions in a day, it is for each domain, right?
No, not each domain. That will be including all 8 domains. 200 question in a day. It means you can get question from the anywhere. Okay, you can refer any resource here. You can refer uh, certificate destination on Discord channel, or you can refer village site or Prashant test set. That will be enough. You can go ahead with domain wise, or you can go ahead with anywhere from
Okay,
the 8
got it.
domain.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to go ahead with the domain wise, just keep your target 200 and don't go below that, because as much question you will attempt, your concept will be clear whenever you will read that explanation. There was a question in the group where we see the SYN TCP, where the IDS is stopping SYN TCP traffic. Okay, so I also marked that question wrong, but yes, when I read that explanation, I verified that in Cybex book as well, and that was there. In some of the point, IDS can able to drop the TCP flood, TCP SYN flood. Okay, moving in the next slide. Treat every full length exam as a real exam. Okay, whenever you are attempting the exam, keep your cell phone side. Okay, the time will be there for 180 minutes and you will get 150 questions. Just take it as your real exam and attempt that no with your full knowledge and full flow. Okay, if you are getting 75%, 70% or 65%, will recommend you to note down that number in your Excel sheet or where or your notebook, because that will help you to analyze your preparation. Okay, there will be a time in one set you will get 65%, the second one 68%, and in the third set you will get 75%. Okay, so here you can able to identify yourself, or you can analyze your result, like where I'm marking the wrong thing. That's why I'm telling to write down your marks. And we'll also recommend one thing. You have Prasan sets, right? Just attempt one set at one time. Just note down the mark and move ahead. Don't attempt it again, because most of the time we remember the answer of the question. Okay, in the first time you will get 65%. Attempting the same set second time, you will get 85%. Okay, and we will feel very happy to get 85%, but deep down we know that in the first attempt we have marked 65% only, and this is our real result, not this one. Okay, you guys can disagree with me in that point. Okay, but this is my observation. Okay, mind map video is there on the YouTube by Rob Witcher. You can refer it. He explained most of the topics very good, and we can able to recall everything from this video. Okay, in last 10 days you can watch this video multiple time as much as you can. And yes, he have made a video on the uh, on sorry Kerberos.
Sorry to interrupt. Am I only facing voice quality issue or everyone else?
I'm also facing.
Okay.
Okay, so my voice is breaking in between.
So it seems, Sachin, your internet is somewhat maybe having
uh,
problem.
okay,
I
just give me a
mean,
moment.
lot of times, yeah.
Just give me a
It's
moment.
latency issue, I believe so.
Is it fine now? Sorry for interruption, guys. Just stopping sharing my screen for 1 minute, or 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you able to hear me? It's good.
Absolutely right. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very good.
it's better.
Thanks. Sharing my screen with you. Sorry. Okay. So I was here. So I was telling about Rob Witcher. So he has prepared a video on Kerberos. Just go through it. It's very important for the exam. SAML, OAuth. Okay, it's very important for exam, and you can find prep video as well on these topics.
I think you can stop sharing and Sachin,
Sachin, your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear you.
Oh, Sorry.
I think you can stop sharing because it's just taking too much of bandwidth. So,
Yep,
and
yep.
you can speak. Yeah.
Okay, so I was telling about some points here for the exam point of view. Okay, so that was okay. You can find that videos on Prab channel, also on Rob Weacher channel. Okay, that is important for the exam. And uh, there is, no, some I have also shared a link with from the Prab side. Have you gone through that?
I think no.
Yeah. Yes.
Guys, every
There are around 50 odd topics is been given in that.
yes, every topic that is mentioned there is very important. I think if you will prepare that those topics, your 50% exam will be from that topic only. Okay, so go through that. And day before the exam, don't read too much. Just keep your mind fresh. If you want to watch any movie, any comedy movie, you can watch, because in on 3 hours of the exam, your mind should be work fully fledged. So just keep your mind fresh and watch Kaylee's hand to hand video, why you will pass the CISSP.
Where I can find that Prabnair video? The URL actually it is on the group.
Prabna topic was in the group. In Prabna video you can find on the YouTube.
Okay, the coffee shots.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
And on the exam day, this Kelly's video is very important. Why you will pass the CISSP? Just watch it, guys. In the night whenever going to attend the exam, because that will clear most of the concept, like how you will answer any question in the exam. Okay, just watch that once or twice, and that will clear most of the doubt, that how you are going to answer any question. Okay, so thank you and all the best. These are all from the from my side. If you guys have any question, I will be happy to